Welcome to Autoverse, where power meets precision. From speed to style, we review the rides that rule the roads. Buckle up, let's roll! Today's video topic is GMC Motorhome Classic. Basic info manufacturer, GMC Truck and Coach Division, a division of General Motors, in Pontiac, Michigan. Production years, model years, 1973 to 1978. Total built, 12,821 units. Lengths offered, 2 main lengths, approx. 23 FT and 26 FT wheelbases, 140 in for the 23 FT model, 160 in for the 26 FT model. Width, 96 in 8 FT, common for both sizes. Height, approx. 8 FT 1 in, 8.1 FT without roof AC with roof air conditioner, approx. FTE 2 in. Interior ceiling height, about 76 in a 6 FTE 4 in. Chassis, drive, suspension, layout. Longitudinal front engine plus front wheel drive. Rear wheels. Tandem rear wheels, non-driving, on each side with independent suspension bogies and air suspension to allow lower floor. Body construction, rigid frame made of welded aluminum extrusions mounted onto steel ladder frame via isolators. Body panels, fiberglass below waistline and end sections. Plus sheet aluminum, upper side, roof. Suspension, front. Torsion bar independent suspension. Rear, airbag suspension with height control valves, independently suspended tandem wheels. Brakes, front disc brakes, rear drum brakes on 4 rear wheels. Engine, transmission, performance engines used, early years, 1973 or 76 approx. Oldsmobile 455 cu 7.5 LV8. Later years, Oldsmobile 403Q in 6.6L V8 due to GM downsizing. Transmission, 3-speed automatic, GM Turbo-Hydromatic TH425 for the FWD setup. Fuel system, 2 fuel tanks of 25 US gallons each. Fuel economy, around 911 mpg, US reported for stock condition. Capacities, tanks, weight freshwater tank, 40 US gallons in many factory interiors, though some sources mention 30 gallons. Holding waste tank, 40 US gallons typical. Fuel capacity, 2x 25 US gallons, 50 gallons total. Gross vehicle weight rating, GVWR, 23F model, 10,500 LBs, 26F model, 12,500 DAC. Features, amenities, interior and equipment, luxury interior finishes, solid walnut cabinetry in higher trims, dinette, lounge that converted to beds, bunks in some floor plans. Kitchen, double stainless steel sink, 10 CUFT refrigerator, 4-burner range with oven, optional microwave and blender. Bathroom, fiberglass 2-piece molded bathroom with shower and curtain, sink and vanity, Aquamagic 3 toilet. Driver and passenger compartment, air conditioning, driver's 6-way power seat, AM, FM 8-track or stereo sound system, cruise control. Windows, large expanses of glass including wraparound windshield, 2-piece laminated windshield, side and rear tinted windows. Notable design, engineering highlights. Low floor height. Because of FWD and no drive shaft to the rear, the floor could be set lower, improving interior accessibility and headroom. Aerodynamic styling. The body was wind tunnel tested and the drag coefficient was about 0.31, very good for its size at the time. Durability, use of aluminum and fiberglass for body panels instead of wood-framed construction, helped resist rot and structural decay. Floor plan, models. There were several floor plans and trim levels over the years, 23F and 26F models, with names like Canyonlands, Glacier, Painted Desert, Sequoia, Birchhaven, Crestmont, Avion, Eleganza, Royale, etc. Thanks for riding with Autoverse, where every engine tells a story. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon, so you never miss the next automotive adventure.